The National Weather Service in Milwaukee-Sullivan has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for south central Ozaukee County in southeastern Wisconsin, northern Milwaukee County in southeastern Wisconsin, northeastern Waukesha County in southeastern Wisconsin, until 5:45 p.m. At 5:10 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over northwestern Milwaukee, moving east at 25 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts. Source, law enforcement. Trees have been reported down in Menominee Falls. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include northern Milwaukee, Wauwatosa, Brookfield, Menominee Falls, Mequon, Whitefish Bay, Brown Deer, Fox Point, Bayside, Glendale, Butler, River Hill, Shorewood, and Milwaukee. Other landmarks included are the following location: Timberman Airport. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. This is the NOAA weather